पेपर बरो आसलो.
कसलो पेपर आसलो?
इंग्लिश पेपर आसलो.
इंग्लिश डिफिकल्ट कितें आसलो?
डिफिकल्ट काय नासले, बरो आसलो पेपर.
आनी फाल्यां कसलो?
फाल्यां ना परवा पेपर अकाउंट्स.
English.
इंग्लिश हाव वाज
It was good. It was quite easy. And
any difficult question?
what?
Difficult question was there?
No, nothing that difficult was there. It was quite good.
Today was the
Yeah, today was fun.
इंग्लिश
इंग्लिश बरो आशिल्लो?
हय आसलो
इजी आशिल्लो?
इजी म्हणल्यार मिडियम आसलो
मिडियम आशिल्लो?
हय
काय प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो?
ना प्रॉब्लेम
हां?
Good.
Which paper was it?
English.
English.
Yeah.
It was difficult?
No, not really.
Not yet.
No.
This all?
Exam bora alli. English easy allo. Paper was easy, very easy. It's good. Hoping for best for tomorrow.
Then it was really good, easy, and we were able to answer everything and all. So we are waiting forward, studying hard for the next paper. Thank you.
It was first time, so it was nervous. No, it was not so difficult. I knew
The paper was easy. It was not too lengthy. The essays and all were easy to answer. I finished my paper on time.
एग्जाम बरी भाशेन आयज स्टार्ट जाल्या सुरू जाल्या 5 तारखेक सकाळच्या 10 o'clock ती 12:30 संपली. इंग्लिश पेपर आशिल्लो हातूंत 16 ब्लॉक आशिल्ले. 16 ब्लॉकांनी बरी भाशेन जाली आनी भुरग्यां कडेन उलयलें त्या प्रमाणे पेपर वॉज इजी, नॉट डिफिकल्ट, नॉट लेंथी. दे हॅव आन्सर वेरी वेल.